We are now in Mercedes-Benz, bro. We're at one of the biggest dealerships here in Beijing, bro. I want to show you guys the fully electric sedan for Mercedes here in China called the CLA. I think the CLA is also like in many other countries. So it's fully electric, 2025. I'm saying, like, bro, this dealership is kind of sick. All right, let's start with the inside. Cool. First of all, look at this very beautiful steering wheel here. We have the Mercedes kind of like logo here. We have the cancel, reset. We have all of these buttons for like calling, receiving calls and canceling and stuff. This right here is one. This is a big screen, but then it's divided into two parts. This is the middle part. That right there is not on, but this is for the driver, and then this part is for the passenger. Actually, I think, okay, so this is where like you can find the apps and all those kind of stuff. This is mainly for like navigation, the map. This is the part here. We have different types of, what are these called, like apps and all that kind of stuff. Okay, and right here, what is this here? Okay, I didn't actually prepare for this, but oh, wireless charger here. This is the tension kind of like button and all that kind of stuff. This is the AC, beautiful, right? These are two nice cup holders, and when I press here, we kind of open a very small storage kind of like, unit in here. Let's close this. Here we have the small mirrors. Now the thing is, there are no lights on these mirrors. Oh, we have a small light here. Okay, but what do you guys think? Like this small cover, and there's a light here, but the cover kind of blocks the light. So what about the person using it? I don't know, but okay, don't know who designed that, but maybe that's what they wanted. Good. So basically, when this kind of cover is closing the mirror, the light doesn't go on. When you open it, that's when the light goes on. What's up? All right, good. Let's close this. We have some nice lights here. We just touch them. I think this these kind of like touch lights are now very common in very many EVs and stuff. Good. Here we have a very beautiful door. We have the locks and all that kind of stuff. This is for the chair, moving the chair back and folding it and everything. Everyone, most of these EVs change this these buttons from down here, and now they just put them like on the door, the same as on the passenger seat. And this is the AC, nice and beautiful kind of AC here. There's only one button here actually. This is for putting up and down the window. Good. Now these are nice beautiful seats, nice leather. Yo, okay, nice leather here. This car is called the CLA. Look at this sunroof. Sick, right? Very cool and nice sunroof. All right, good. So let me go to the back part. Opening is basically like normal because you just use this right here, this door. It's not like buttons. In many other electric cars, you kind of like use buttons and stuff. So you guys get it, right? Let me open. All right, now let me get in the back part. Oh god. All right, good. Yo, this dealership has so many like clients and people, bro. A lot of people just come in and like, shit, bro. I think, bro, I want to get to a point where I'm also walking inside a dealership and I'm not making videos. I'm actually coming inside to like buy my car, bro. Like a G63, bro. Damn. All right, nice. This is the back part. These are the ACs and stuff. These are two chargers, like C-type. We have what is this? Small mesh, kind of like a small mesh where you can put like your documents and stuff. Same as here. This is for putting down, up the window and stuff. Nice leather. And behind here we have a small light. Is this light like touch? No, it's not. Okay, good. And right here, because we have 1, 2, and 3 seats, then we have a small kind of like, just put your hands here, like it's like a handrest, right? Let me press this button And ooh, we have some beautiful cup holders, but these are like for very small cups, bro. I feel like if you're driving and you put like a big cup here, then you'll spill your drink, right? Nice. Close. Yeah, what else in here, bro? The speakers are here, speakers there. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else in the back, bro. This is also like a small speaker. This is the car handle, just like for opening the door. You just press here and open. Good. Nice. So that's for the inside of the car, right? Let's go to the back part. Now, this car is fully electric. So basically, we're gonna have like a fast charger and slow charging, and that's the name of the car, the CLA. I hope you guys just saw that. Now, here, this is for the charger. You just press and it opens. This is for like, I think, slow charging and fast charging, if I'm not wrong. Then we just close. And now opening the back part, this bonnet, you just come on the Mercedes logo, right, and press inside, and you have to manually open it by yourself. Good. So this is the inside. We have a small machine here. Whoa, like the space inside is really big actually. I think my camera isn't doing it like a lot of justice, but yeah, it's pretty good. This is the car, the CLA. All right, so let me open this, bro. There's nothing else inside here. This is just a small thing, like if your tire gets a problem or whatever, like you guys kind of get it, right? And oh my god, how do we put this back? If you're working at the dealership and you see my video, don't report me, bro. Okay. God damn, bro. All right, I think it's back in, right? Let me close this, and yeah, there's nothing else at the back, bro. How do you close? You just have to click this button here, right? Damn, is my camera getting this well? Let me try to reduce the light. Okay, now you guys see it, right? This is for closing the car, the back part. This is for locking. So just press this, and then it closes by itself. All right, so these are like the tires and all that kind of stuff. These are the car, like the door handles and stuff. Look at the tires here. Okay, just like the normal Mercedes tires, bro. Normal Mercedes tires. That's the back part, and yeah. And let me move back a little bit, and you guys can see the whole car. It's more like a sedan. We have a small camera here and another small camera there. That's the name of the car, the CLA. All right, guys, so if I want to open that front part, I'm just gonna come down here and pull this thing here twice. 1 and then 2. So after pressing this twice, then the front part is gonna open just twice. And this is pretty cool, right? We just have like some very small, are these like tennis or table tennis kind of like balls, right? Like ping pong balls. And yeah, we have some small toys in here. Whatever these are, bro, all of these are like Mercedes kind of things. What's in this box? And we have like a small light in here. These are the springs that keep this thing kind of like from just slamming down onto the car. So yeah, this is kind of like a small, it's kind of like big enough to hold like an airport kind of like carry-on bag. So yeah, there's really nothing else here apart from like the water hydrant and like the whole cleaning thing for the windshield. And yeah, this is basically it. And closing, you just push down and press. Good. So basically that's our car, man. Let's have a small like 360, and then yeah, this is our car, my guy. This is our car, right? Okay, very good. All right, guys, man. So, what do you think about this car? I think it's a really cool sedan and 2025 model. And guys, if you guys like this car, just let me know in the comments, and ciao.